Hi everyone, Pokemon, and today we're back with Wifey again. And today we are opening more Lorcana, and it's Rising of the FloodBorne. Let's go! So Wifey's taking the right side, and I'm taking the left one. Let's go! I'm gonna try not to spoil anything in case this video comes up before the other one that I did about it. But it was completely fire, and that's one of the pieces of the puzzle. And we start with Panic. We got James, the Queen, Croquette Mallet, Peter Pan Dagger, Last Canaan, Zero to Hero, Hercules, The Most Diabolical Scheme, Pick a Fight, Alice, Mufasa, and to finish, a holo of Madame Mime. First pack of Wifey. And now we're going right into my side. And we're gonna try to compete a little bit. Which one's gonna get the best pull tonight? So, ooh, the Queen of Heart. Duke Whistleton. Happy, I'm stuck. Digger, to the rescue. Let the storm rage on. Helza, the Fang Crossbow. The Card Solitaire. Moss Armor. Oh, Little John. Lady Tremaine. Oh, and Mulan Hollow. Which is one of the most basic cards, since the little circle at the bottom tell us it's a common one. Oh, and we start with Flynn Rider for Wifey's side. Basil, Grumpy, Merlin, Felicia, Benja, Ring the Bell, Hey Hey, Rapunzel, Lumiere, Strength of the Raging Fire, and Madame Mime again, hello. The first chapter card were so beautiful, and they strike out again with the second chapter, but it's not really second chapter, but the second deck of card that came out. We have Donald Duck, Ow, Old Steel, Fairy Godmother, What Did You Call Me? Cinderella, Belle, Nick Wilde, Pinocchio, Merlin, Gascon, and to finish, Chip the Teacup. Hello. I'm pretty sure that was my side, so we're back to Wifey's side. Let's go. Unfortunately, it's not like Pokemon. We cannot do our little energy game, unfortunately. And we start with Arthur. Wow. Sneezy. Fairy Godmother. Lady Tremaine. Magic Broom. Pinocchio. Did we not already got it from this pack? Mother Gogtel. Hope I pronounced that one right. Mouse Armor. Raya, which is the diamond one. Dr. Felicia, and to finish, oh, Merlin the Goat. Hello. Yeah, Marlin, we saw it in Rabbit too, so I guess Marlin have multiple form in this set. Might see it as a horse or a mouse next time. And we start with Gaston, Rabbit, Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Ban, I think it's from Raya, Hercules, Nana, You Can Fly, Peter Pan, Elie LaBouffe, Thief and Ambition, Donald Duck, which is a golden card, and Queen of Heart. Hollow, let's go. Yeah, probably considers as hollow, or do they have a special term for the Wifey is confirming to me it's hollow. Improvise. The Knock. Rapunzel. And we got Cusco. Peter Pan Daggers again. Donald Duck. Pain. Caterpillar. Last Stand. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, Cinderella. And to finish, oh, the Prince Charming. I mean, they were in the right bite together. And we have Virana. Cruella de Vil. Sleepy. Oh, Merlin, I was wrong. It's a crab right now. Go the Distance. Prince Naveen. Bounce. Pinocchio. On the Run. Dupe. Mulan. The Queen. And to finish, oh, Mulan Hollow. Which is another common one of Mulan. No. And to continue, oh, Enchantress. Duke Wasselton. Mulan. Legend of the Sword in the Stone. Raya. Charge. From Raya again. Binding Contract. Minnie Mouse. Lawrence. World's Greatest Criminal Mind. The Sorcerer Spellbook. Oh, and Li Shang. Hello. All beautiful cards. Dang. And I feel like some of them in the background are really complex and don't came necessarily from movie, but like creating piece of art just for this set of card. So we have Ratigan, Gumbo Pot, the Queen, Chip the Teapot, Baloo, Tiana, Judy Hopps, Raya, Jafar, the Huntsman, Ratigan Marvelous Trap, and to finish, oh, Arthur. So, ooh, I think that's the first time we pulled this one. Ray, Popsicle, Bending the Rose Red, Dr. Felicer, Minnie Mouse, Magic Broom, Bucky, Heisma, Cruella de Vil, Duck Duck, Goofy, and Charge Hollow. I think we're around the halfway point with after this pack. Did not saw any legendary card. Are we gonna beat our last video? If you did not see it, go see it. It's worth it. Gaston, Gumbo Pot, Sleepy, Legend of the Sword and Stone Raya, Jafar, Bounce, Hey Hey, Dupe, No, Beast, and to finish, oh, Fidget Hollow. I don't know if it's like that in every pack, but our big pull last time was the last pack of the set to replace kind of the hollow. So I don't know if it's the only emplacement that it can have, but we might be able to see tonight if we get another one. We start with Panic, Nothing to Hide, Grumpy, I'm Stuck, Go the Distance, Jafar, Bashful, Queen of Heart, Robin Hood, Prince John, Archer, Tur. Oh, and Chishu. Hello, let's go. Divine Dragon. My wifey is probably winning. Yep. Enchantress, Popsicle, Painting the Rose Red, Merlin Crab again, Baloo, Prince Navi, Lunch, which I think is the first one we saw, Raya, Hilly LaBouffe, Madame Mime, Retkin, Panic Hollow. Let's go. We have 5 packs left on each side. That means we passed the halfway point. Hope you're still there. Maybe the best pull to come. Ratigan, Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Felicia, Let the Storm Rage On, Cheshire Cat, 4 Dozen Egg, Snow White, Madame Mime again, but in dragon form, And to finish, oh, Basil Hollow, which we got two in this pack. So I guess you're gonna have both versions in the same pack. So let's continue, and we start with Ray. Nothing to hide. Eudora. Cusco. What did you call me? Donald Duck. Donald Duck again. Sardine Can. Rapunzel. Kronk. Peter Pan Shadow. Ooh, the card is beautiful. And to finish, the Dinner Bell Hollow. So we're back. And for Wifey's pack, we start with the Queen of Hearts. James. Eudora. Cricket Malay. Fidget. Benja. Blue Fairy. Oh, the Sword and Stone. Pasha. Prince Charming. Sleepy's Flute. Oh, Donald Duck Hollow. And we're back on my side, and we start with Improvise. Cruella de Vil. Piglet, which I think is the first. Winnie the Pooh Honey Wizard. Minnie Mouse. Tiana. Madame Ming Snake Form. The Most Diabolic Shimmy Scheme. Jafar. Cobra Bubble. Pack Tactic, and to finish, Gaston. Holographic. We're arriving close to the end. Still no legendary pack. Was it at the end of the box, or was there none of all in the box? That's what we're gonna know soon if you stay with us. Flynn Rider. Jasmine. Happy. Jimmy Cricket. Mulan. Cinderella. Tiana. Merlin Goat. Duck. Dinner Bell. King Louis. And Sleepy Flute Hollow. I don't know which movie, Disney movie is your favorite. Tell me in the comment. I'm gonna enjoy to read every single one of them. And we start with Hypnotize. The Knock. Snow White. Elsa. Lady Tremaine. Last Canaan. Belle. Fairy Godmother. Zero to Hero. Gruesome and Grim. Mickey Mouse. And to finish, Cinderella Hollow, which is another common one. For my part, I would say that one of my favorite right now is probably in the Disney movie. They're Little Stitch from when we were young, or I would go with Moana right now, because I mean, the song and the movie are just fantastic. And we got Maui in it. Which one is the best to sing the song? Maui. We go back and we start with Donald Duck for Wifey's pack. Basil, Hold Still. Elsa, Tigger, Hercules, Judy Up, Card Solitaire, Li Shang, Chief Bungo, Lucifer, and to finish, Rapunzel, which is a common card. Again, unfortunately. So we start with Rihanna, Jasmine, Mulan, Chip the Teacup, Mulan again, Beast, Nicole, You Can Fly, Pickify, Falling Down the Rabbit Hole, Honest John, and to finish, James. We have two pack. It's quite literally probably not neck to neck to know who's having the best pull tonight, but still, there's still a chance. And Wifey, last pack start with Hypnotize, Rabbit, Piglet, Merlin, Squirrel, Bound, Charge, Ring the Bell, Fang Crossbow, Nana, Dragon Gem, Basil, Great Mouse Detective, and to finish, Dr. Felicer Hollow. Guess Wifey did not got a legendary pull tonight. Are we gonna get it in this pack? I would like to, just to be able to I win it, and it's the end. Archer, Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Felicia, Fidget, Magic Broom, Daisy Duck, Cosworth, Gaston, Hercules. And just before we finish, I would like to tell you to leave a like to this video, subscribe, and comment. It's always appreciated. Oh, we got Tiana, and to finish, oh, the Beast. Golden card, hello, let's go. So we're back, and Wifey compiled the card that we pulled, and she won tonight. No, again. So thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great one, and see you next time.